Welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set Google Chrome browser as your mobile default browser. So it's a very simple process. To learn it, watch the video till the very end. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a Google Chrome browser on your mobile. If you have Google Chrome browser on your mobile, then open your mobile settings. Once you are on your mobile settings, then you scroll down and find out apps option, and here as you can see that tap on apps. Now from here you have to tap on choose default apps, tap on here, then tap on browser app, and then now from here you have to select Chrome browser. As you can see that uh, my default browser is Samsung Internet, so now I'm gonna set it Chrome browser, so tap on Chrome, and yes, our work is done. From now your mobile default browser is Chrome browser. So I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.